Many other birds take sunbaths like vultures do. Anhingas spend most of their time sunning themselves. They don't want a radioactive cleaning job. They only want to dry off. They're underwater hunters and have to soak their feathers to keep from floating too much. Wet feathers, however, are not good for flying, and you never know when danger might crop up. Anhingas must take sunbaths after each of their plunges in order to be able to fly. They spread their wings and body as much as they can to get as much radiation as possible. The well-aired and sun-warmed feathers will dry very quickly. A combination of airing and evaporation. We do the same thing when we hang our washed clothes out to dry. We spread and stretch the clothes so the sun can shine on them well, not to prevent wrinkles and save ironing as some people think.